Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily connect your HP Durability speaker with your phone or tablet or anything else using a cable. So you can't do so using a USB Type-C cable or any other cable. You have to have the jack cable like this one. Then you have to plug the first part of the cable into your phone or tablet or laptop or PC, and now the second part of it you have to plug into your speaker over here. Now, as you can see, we are connected. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.